It not only redefines Tesla's paradigm of installation, but also introduces personalized choices for car enthusiasts. This is the all-new upgraded version of the electrostatic absorption sunshade. It can open at any time and can be easily fixed with a gentle touch, completely solving the cumbersome installation of the old buckle-style design. The mesh material on the surface is identical to the car roof, fitting perfectly both at the edges and as a whole. No longer will you feel driving vibrations and noises. And it also provides a significantly increased headspace. After undergoing professional heat insulation testing, both the black and white adhesive film offers excellent installation capabilities. The advantage of the black film lighting is light-blocking properties, offering a quieter experience, while the white film provides transparency, brightness, and elegance. The frameless design makes it easy to store, and repeated installations and removals have no impact on its functionality. Even under high temperature exposure, the adhesive won't leave residue or fall off. Moreover, there is an authoritative environmental protection test report, ensuring worry-free usage. Currently available on our official website and Amazon. The link is in the description.